On November 14, 2024, the Algarve region in Portugal was battered by intense rainfall brought on by the Dana storm system. According to Civil Protection, the heavy downpours triggered flash floods across multiple areas, with Albufeira, Faro, Tavira, and Moncarapaccio among the hardest hit. In a matter of minutes, streets transformed into fast-moving rivers, inundating homes, businesses, and vehicles. Footage captured the dramatic scene of cars submerged up to their wheels and even swept away in some locations. The Algarve's Civil Protection Emergency Command reported 13 flood-related incidents, though fortunately, no injuries have been recorded. The most significant impacts were seen in downtown Albufeira, where only 5 minutes of torrential rain was enough to flood streets and invade several businesses.
Está tudo tapado de água já. Já há lojas inundadas e caraças.
The Portuguese Institute of the Sea and Atmosphere, IPMA, issued a yellow weather alert for the Faro district, in effect Thursday afternoon and extending into Friday. The alert warns of the continued risk of heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, hail, and potentially extreme wind events, including the formation of tornadoes. Residents and tourists were caught off guard as the storm's deceptive nature brought sudden changes from sunny skies to heavy downpours. Local media highlighted similar flooding in Silves and Olhau, where several roads and basements were inundated. In Moncarapaccio, dramatic scenes unfolded as floodwaters carried away vehicles, underscoring the severity of the situation. With conditions expected to worsen, Civil Protection has urged residents to remain vigilant. They recommend securing loose objects, avoiding unnecessary travel, and staying updated on weather advisories. Forecasters anticipate the storm will continue to impact southern and central Portugal, with particular concern for the Algarve and Baixo Alentejo regions over the next few days.
Aí a caraças, foda-se.